to Pigeon Forge, setting up and getting the water and everything hooked up, and come to find out, I filled my tank up first. Come to find out, I have got a leak in my hot water tank. So I was checking around, and right there where that piece goes in, it goes in just like that piece down there. Let me see it. And I believe it was leaking up there. See where all the water started coming out, and it started coming out on the rug. Doggy toys. So I'm going to rethread it with tape. I've got some Blue Monster thread tape here. I'm going to rethread both ends. I'm going to screw it back in nice and snug and see if that works. See if it stops the leak. So that's where I'm at right at the moment. I'll step outside and show you where I'm at. My burn pit. Picnic table. Not a very big spot, but it's big enough. This is where I'm going to be workamping for 4 months. Down on this end, it's pretty full. There's some sites out this way. I already met my neighbor Laura. She's going to be workamping too. And she said this morning when I pulled in, she looked out her window and thought she saw Tilly the Tioga. She thought that maybe Eric was parking next door. I still don't have it quite level. I'm working on getting it leveled out. To my doggies, I parked a little bit up further so they can park out back. Worked on getting it leveled out. This is a view from this end. Goes all the way up there and around the corner. I'll take a walk later today and show you the various different sites. Big hill behind me. Water, cable, Wi-Fi. This is where the leak's coming from the inside, so I'm going to tighten up that pipe. The water hooked up. I gotta hook up the sewer yet. This actually has your drain plug right here on the site, so it saves you from having to run. And a little Chaos again. Hi, Chaos. To Mama Baby. And of course, this is the next one. I met those neighbors already. They're full-time RVers. They're both on disability. Well, one's on disability. The other one actually, she works hotels. Nice people. They'll be back later. But I'm going to go back in here and try to fix this pipe thing and see if that works. So that's my first adventure at the new park. Got to fix the water. Hot water leak. So I'll catch y'all later.